saw this.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. We sold a lot of those, and since it's been out since April. Same idea as the network assessment tools, the network security, etc. There's a data collector that gets run. It does some of the similar gathering, and it actually crosses a couple of the modules, but it gets into security, it gets into what's going on in Active Directory. You also do a scan of the local machines. We're looking for EPHI on those local workstations, which would typically be a no-no. We're scanning for things like, are they using Gmail or Yahoo or other non-compliant email accounts? Are the laptops encrypted? So it's doing a lot. Also built in are a set of templates, interviews, survey questionnaires that need to be answered. This is certain information that can't be collected automatically. Who's the chief compliance officer? Who, do they have sanction policy? So there's a list of things that have to be included. And we provide the risk analysis, which is required. Anybody covered by HIPAA is required annually to have a risk analysis. So we provide that key document. Also a management plan, which is remediation. So what are sorted from highest risk to lowest, what are those things that you want to sit down and talk with your customer about from the IT perspective? What do they want to remediate?
So is your software actually putting those cross-referencing those remediation steps, or is that something that my team, by virtue of reading the report, would be able to decipher?
Do we have the CFRs here? I don't think we do.
Okay.
But we are tying, yes, actually take a look over here. So the risk analysis report has made pretty for your customers.
Yep.
A risk score, as you fix the higher risks, this goes lower. As you fix any risks, this score goes down. So as you're doing remediation, it goes down. We then list the issues and recommendations that we found.
So it is coming through.
Yep.
That's awesome.
The management plan gets into more detail. So this is where, as you know HIPAA, so they don't have to fix everything. It's up to them to ascertain how much risk they want to take based on what they have to spend, what they can
based on who they are,
exactly.
Their profile.
So you would cost out the higher ones and work with them to put together a set of projects. So not only do you get to charge for doing a risk analysis, you get work at the back end.
It's always the goal, right?
The evidence of HIPAA compliance, shows that the questions were asked, the data was gathered, highlight and red potential issues all the way through.
Perfect.
And then the rest of this is backup.
Yeah, no, that's great. So.